Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and go to the platform. See? No more I know what you know about my vision. What do you know about my vision? My vision will turn your world upside down and tear asunder your illusion and send the sanctuary of your own ignorance crashing down around you. See the vision? Yes, I. Sin? Yo. I have two drama for drop pound still. See the drama them, you don't know when I But when I look pan still, I say John Star. If Bounty Killer have up Merciless, so which is obvious, you can see it. Everything, the evidence is clear now. You know, see, we don't need to go around or no turn around or no twisting or no turning. See? All Merciless though, you know, kill Ninja Man one time, two of them run on, Beanie Man run on, and Merciless make them look like fool, cause you don't know. The whole I wanna run on for gang up on the man and thing like that, and him deal with it. Him stay there, him balance. You know, see, no man can take that from Merciless as Sting 2000. See? But after that, what, 2002, them all I went in there in a Miami, you know, another return Sting. In a Miami. See? And when I notice what happened, see, it's when Bounty Killer bands come on stage, them sabotage Merciless. You know, see? And I fuck with that. This is all the bandsman them, right, you know. You know, I hear that thing, that boy business. The man, better as well, them never give Merciless no mic. Merciless mic low, you can't hardly hear what Merciless I say. You see it, and yet Bounty load up, so after sabotage, can't tell me say, and I set them up. Engineer no want that pan them hand, for no so well then them fault of them way there. That was a planned thing. You know, see it, you can see it, it's obvious, Rasta. Seeing a Merciless, there with them and buckle it out. If I them little petty boy, I think them man a call, a carry in a competition and a talk about war and them win. And the maddest thing, the Almighty stand up on him and him know, him said, Merciless, yeah, Merciless hold him and kick him ass at Miami, Rasta, we don't tell a lie. So, we understand the grievance a carry. See? But brighter than that, him and Beanie Man go through the same sort of sitting them. Enough things where man blame Merciless, sir. Beanie Man, you know see, cause when him come on and I say people dead, Beanie Man come on and I say, what? You know, well, everything, you know Beanie Man come with film one little thing anytime. Him come with film thing. See? Yeah. Beanie Man is more finicky than Merciless. Beanie Man is more in your face with film thing, you know see, cause we can't, you know, go in on the lyrics them right, you know, but, you know, Beanie Man did more come with some whole heap of counteraction for the same melody and them little way there. And if anybody go at Sting 92, you know, I mean, Miami Sting, then we say, I be a bullying and some open bad mind thing I go on. You know, see it? But, Beanie Man, me I say, if a man have a Merciless, so, Beanie Man better watch himself. I feel like Beanie Man for watch himself and mind when him eat and mind when him drink and to be careful of this friend talk. You know see it, cause a man good just a dry you in for your food, or a man just a watch and a wait for you meet certain demise. You know see it, cause the end of the day, nobody in a dance hall no do Bounty Killer like what Beanie Man doing. Beanie Man take away all angel when him do it for you long. And she drop in a Beanie Man bed, she breathe. You see, that's supposed to affect a man everything. Nah, telling a lie, Rasta. And if a man have a merciless, so, you know, I feel like, which probably Beanie Man never know. Beanie Man go to check say everything good between Merciless and a man and all them thing there and continue. You don't feel like, so well then, yeah, man are just man and man are got you. You know, see, but when you look on it, when you observe the thing, Rasta, you know, it come like say, you can't overlook that. You have to observe that and pay, you know, see it. And I end up being a man, see, but it's just a sound where I feel like, say, being a man need to be careful in a them time, ya Rasta. And it's not I tell being a man that. But particular whole attitude towards Merciless. Me supposed to make being a man know that. You know, see, I want to say hats off to Beanie Man and enough respect to Beanie Man for keeping himself quiet through all of this. Beanie Man a smart businessman still. Beanie Man, you know, Beanie Man in tune with the business more than enough of them. See, and I hope Beanie Man teach a whole heap of other youth the tricks, in tactics them and them things that for stay alive and survive the dancer so long. You know, see, then again, you them move like them now, the manners and them not really pay no respect to the elder them are going. Them going like say them know it all. Like Google teach them everything what them need for know. You see? But any youth under Beanie Man, when Beanie Man for start a little thing where, you know, him start probably not necessarily manage, but mentor some youth. Big artists, small artists, and the whole of them in the business come. To Beanie Man from Beanie Man program, you know Beanie Man have him thing lack. See? And yeah. It's supposed, the business side of it supposed to be more, you know, up there than the rest of them. You know, see, because again, that's what it is, a business, you know, you have to treat it as such. You have to know the tricks and the tactics them in it. You know, see, yes, we have to highlight that. You know, see, that if you observe the whole thing and how the thing work, and you know, you can't trust a man these days. Man openly show say, him not forgot nothing and him hold on some little petty things. Because Merciless thing and theme thing was petty. Merciless show him whole heap of respect at every chance him get. Beanie Man not do that. Beanie Man, well I know when Beanie Man say, well we are big man and the whole of we are friend and thing like that. And still no hear Beanie Man give bounty kill and a whole heap of the sort of, you know, love, the sort of respect. Beanie Man is a more like so well then, you know, equal type of big man thing if you want frowns to frowns. So the other day a big Beanie Man say him not trust bounty killer when them see say Aisha and I walk out on stage with a manica him and sit down in the face of it and gone again. Beanie Man I wonder where Aisha and I know about bounty killer why she'd have to do that, cause really and truly I doubt if Aisha would have even tried that with any other DJ in the dance in the industry. You see, because it's obvious, man, I got carry certain feelings and she could have to defend herself. Probably not physically, but again, she could have to explain why. You know, see, she come upon them, what kind of thing that? What you mean? What give the authority to feel like you can't do that? None of we never do you that yet, little girl, and you're just a boss. So we wonder if she knows something when nobody else don't know, and nobody no want, she bunty them no want, she talk it, so them cool off and low her and all them thing there. Cause come like him all them, you know, yeah, you see it. Him give she more breathing space than when him give anybody else who come up against him, Rasta. We not really not understand how the government of that work. See? So our advice, Rasta, is that's Beanie Man, whatever you do, you know, you protect yourself and them thing they do it. Whatever you do, make yourself loose and careless around some people, stop, do it. You know, see, don't put on your drink glass anywhere you're there because it's not a guy you have to look for, you know. See, it's not a guy you have to look for. A guy have whole heap of friend and influence in the business. Enough guy want boss. Enough man go around a long time and feel like say them should have did boss already, and it easy if you look at one of them man there and say, yo, me boss you man. Come over here, say, do this, that, book back. And you see, yeah, drop all a little thing in your drink where all a week after them time the people go find you all in a room by yourself, lie down. You know, I say that happened to Merciless, you know, not because Merciless is there bounty killer party or whatever 1 week before him drop out. Seeing we not indicate that way that we just a say. Seeing Beanie, be careful, because them grievous disrespect and below the belt small talk, yeah. You know what I say? It no work. Ricky Trooper have some revelation over the Rasta where I tell you say it need to be observed, because really and truly we not really hear no whole heap of gear bashing a go on in a bounty killer repertoire affiliate for true. So we don't know if what Ricky Trooper say over there are true and them could think there. You know see? Yeah. Righteousness is righteousness, Rasta. And when they have the youth them out there run up and they're gonna go on with themselves in a certain sort of way. The young DJ them who influential amongst the generation, I observe certain little things are going up at top there with the whole man there and I know so wait. But at this the business is corruption, so might as well we just maintain the order. You know see it and not stop by gun and shot pan road give them little crew for come defend them if them should have did find themselves in a certain little dispute with them big boy, yeah. You know, see, an example now set, cause I mean, you know, no matter where a man do or where a man say Rasta, you have to moderate your tone, you have to be diplomatic and protect your brand, cause I get to whisper you there. And the fans them, the people them have a right to criticize you, and if you too arrogant to accept that and no say, see, whether you like it or not, Rasta, the fans are what put you where you're there, you can't talk down to people and act like you is all that, and that's how life go. You know, see it, you will flap. See, we not pray for that, but we go for pray for something where people are already dig themselves in a hole. You can't bother play for your hole again. You have to just sit down and watch what a man do. You know, see it. Example need to be set and maintained. You can't just go talk one thing because you look at audience. And then hear the one side and do another thing. I hear that joke life that while you can't afford to do it. You know, see it? Because, you know, Ricky Trooper make a speech where it resonates and you have to look back in it for true. You know, see it and wonder if Bounty Killer leave after the NSC. Why? And it not sound so. It sound like him did have a under couple back like NSC when him make that speech, the Rasta. You know, see it? And, you know, right there, the evidence, you have the evidence in your hand. If you know, so if you create a balance, cause you have your problem too. Me don't know if or when a man go rehab or what a man do. You know, ease off of the NSC. But remember when every picture, every video where you see a Bounty Killer, him lean, proper alcohol, nine skin, and people are complaining about him and him NSC business and them thing there. What if him did drop them time, you know, see it, everybody would have say, NSC. Nobody would not ask a question, nobody would need no DJ for come do an interview no way. And say that people that because that out there in the ear. It was no guessing game with that. You know, see it? You see what I say? So people can openly declare that without fear or favor because it's the fact, Rasta. And right now we have to wonder if the habit they did, you know, if a man did put on the habit there or what, cause them rhetoric there, Rasta, that sound like a man where sit down in a bar for a couple of hours well. You know, I enjoy the the elixir. You know, see it? Yeah, that not sound like a man where a meds and a whole certain realms. So, you know, yeah, I'm concerned about Beanie Man's safety right here now, Rasta. You know, see, cause it strong possibility say, you know, you man not stop prayer. Why would we out here now feel like say Bounty Killer now pre Beanie Man, for angel, and for everything where Beanie Man come up against him with right throughout the years. You know, see? Not like we are looking for, you know, apology for what go on with Merciless. A guy don't talk in mind and it was honest. A guy speak honestly when I'm mind. Any apology I know that I'll just come here like say a cosmetics. You know, see it like I just feel pretty up a guy owner character and them sort of thing there. I feel like a man should keep that and just don't say, boy, I saw it go. A man can't stop talk now. See? But really and truly, everybody else around him wherever go up against him. We have not talk about Vibes Cartel and Movado because like them man they move to a different level and move over the side. Yeah. And these are evidence to show say a man have some petty boy vibes in him cause any man around him will get too successful, him and them fall out. You have Baby Sham, you have Vibes Cartel, you have Movado, and probably a whole lot more. See it. Me hear about a couple more youth where they have to take with themselves. I don't remember if I assailant or what, but a youth they do an interview where say, like they're on Bunty again. Because like the treatment, Bunty Killer treat him like so well then as some a man have a God concept, a God complex, I them sort of sitting there, see it. And it's obvious these days. See? So be careful, Beanie man. And that we are say. And we have good reason to say it. And really and truly, yeah, I don't think nobody say it yet. But if you have a Merciless so Rasta, Beanie man, watch your step. Cause them sort of mentality and them nature you know normal. You don't expect them thing. You don't expect them type of people if you just go quietly and just say, yeah, career, whatever. Nah. You see it? I don't think so, Rasta. This sound too, we're done with that, but we have to put out a word out there and just say, yeah, we cite something and probably other people overseas, Beanie man himself, good at them now look on it too. You see it, but watch yourself, you. Matter of fact, you have your own thing going on. You need certain people. You need certain energy around you. You see it. I go at them, look think why things all reach a couple times in a certain, in a recent time because of the bad energy. Say you want, we know say your heart stay like that still where you can compartmentalize certain things and know say you have a business or a dancer and outside of that. We're good again. But everybody stays a youth. See? So, I just say it go. I'm a bad man, a man say I'm a bad man and we know badness go. We know how badness go. A man just, more time, a man just wait till him a man have to buy him time and wait till him catch you right. In the right place at the right time. And there's no go around in that. They can't dare think one way when they know the rules of the game. Set and it stay a certain way. You see? I wouldn't like see you with your belly all swell bigger than that and you can't come on stage and all them way there people go find you in a corner, you end up all tunnel. You know what I say? Worthless and all them things there. So be careful, Beanie man, cause we don't measure. We don't have no space for certain sort of joke thing. See? Man a big man a man have them money though. Yeah, so be independent and avoid some people, cause I hear that thing going where crosses will follow all man and film crosses all come over upon you. So yeah, I hate that. We give thanks, Rasta. Mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Yes, I.